Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your infuser of your DeLonghi Cafe Gozzo automatic coffee machine. It's really easy. Let's start with step number 1. The infuser must be cleaned at least once a month. This is important to have a nice and clean coffee machine all day long. Okay, let's start now. We can open the gates at the front side, as you can see. Here we are. That's easy. And there you can see the infuser. But we have to do more. Make sure the machine is correctly turned off. Open the service door and then extract the drip tray and the grounds container. Awesome. Now it's time to enter to the infuser. Here, press the 2 red release buttons inwards and at the same time pull the infuser outwards. Let's perform this. That's so easy. You can see right and left the red buttons. These are the 2 red release buttons. Push them and pull the infuser out of it. Yeah, awesome. And then it's the monster important. Do not wash up the infuser with soap or oil or other liquids. Then water. Rinse the infuser only with water. This is a really important thing. If you are going to clean the infuser, you will need only water. Water. No washing up liquid, no dishwasher. Do not use washing up liquid to clean the infuser, as it could cause damage. So, now we have to clean that by rinse with water. The water can be hot or cold, as you like. Soak the infuser in water for about 5 minutes and then rinse it under the tap. Easily. That's easy, but important. Only use water. After cleaning, replace the infuser. That it is. Here we are. Now, of course, we can use the cloth to dry the infuser first before we will get back into the machine. Of course, no problem with that. But don't use dishwashers or washing machines or soap. That's not good because the inside of the infuser can be harmed by these liquids. And of course, the lubricants inside can wash out with a soap, for example. So now, after cleaning, replace the infuser by sliding it onto the internal support and pin at the bottom. Yeah, this direction is correct. And then we can get it back in position. And then the only one thing you have to do is push. Push the push button. The push symbol, then push on it, job's done. Fully. Until it clicks into place. Really easy. Now we're performing that. If the infuser is difficult to insert before inserting, adapt it to the right size by pressing the 2 levers easily together. But here you can see it's no problem with it, and you will have the same. No problem, because it's so simple. Once started, make sure that the 2 red buttons have snapped out. Oh yeah. So now we can reassemble the machine. Get back all components, and that it is. Close the infuser door, and maybe you can replace the water tank too. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.